2.5, 5, and 10. They are family design. Hey, the small one, I can move it. You can see? Let me challenge this one. I can do it. Ah! Ah! Oh, I made it. You can see? Ha! Oh, it's too heavy. I cannot move it. Ah! 10 kilowatt batteries. Power on the battery first. LED screens for the batteries. 2 handles for moving the battery. All connections are here. 10-piece standalone style. For ONESUN batteries, we purchased from top 5 brand for battery cells. And also we give you 10 years warranty. ONESUN battery is easy for assembly and also easy for after sales and maintenance. Guys, welcome to send your inquiries.